Okay friends, I am Aaron, you are watching Aaron Lab. Today I want to show how to make a e-bike using pulsar self motor. In this project, I am using a bike self motor, nothing but Pulsar 150 bike self motor, and it is 12 volts rating and it has 4 pole and 4 brushes to produce more torque. And you can get this motor in bike garage. In this project, I am using the gear system. See here, this is my Max City old cycle and I'm already fixed the gear wheels here. So the small gear wheel is fixed by using a iron bar and the bigger one directly connect to the wheel by using free wheel. And these two gear wheels you can get in Pulsar 150 bike. Here I will show the Pulsar 150 self motor gear mechanism. No need of clutch. Two gear wheels are required. Will fit the motor like this using a frame. Okay friends, the frame is completed and I make some mechanical adjustment is used to adjust the gear wheels and make sure to couple the gear wheels tightly. Motor and one is positive and another one is negative. Negative means body is act as a negative terminal and these outputs are the two wires here and one of the wire is connected to the MCB or a high current switch and another one is directly connected to the minus terminal of the battery and we will open the bike battery.